You're watching iLovei. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And we went to McDonald's today to get chicken tenders so we could try out this new flavor they have, Szechuan sauce.
This has been sitting in the closet for like 10 years. So, I don't know how well this sauce is still, but.
Yeah, I actually grabbed some.
This is really hard to find, surprisingly.
Yeah.
The Szechuan sauce that they released everywhere, I can't get anywhere. We had to save these.
I saved it.
We can film this for you guys.
And so we asked for 4 chicken tenders. And they got us 4 chicken nuggets. Always check the bag before you drive off and make sure that you keep your receipts. God damn it.
We have the receipt, we just don't want to look in the car because it's too far from the door.
So
I'm tired, though.
it was a long
I
night.
haven't slept till like since 7 o'clock in the morning going to went to sleep.
Because he's been playing Fortnite.
No. Yeah, you know what? Add me on Fortnite. You guys are on the PSN network. Let me know. Add me on Fortnite. Let's play.
Alright, so let's check out the Szechuan sauce. So we're trying it with, it's supposed to be chicken tenders. We got chicken nuggets.
We just pretend. But if you guys are playing Fortnite, add me on PSN. Leave in the comments below. For real. I suck. So come suck with me.
It's not bad. It kind of tastes like a garlicky teriyaki glaze.
I don't know what the hype was all about.
Out of all the McDonald's sauces, I still prefer the spicy mustard.
It's alright. But this was supposed to be chicken tenders. I need to go back over there and get my freaking money back.
I feel ripped off. Dorito, Szechuan sauce. And also, comment down below. We got an extra pack of the Szechuan sauce. We're gonna pick one person. We're gonna send this to you.
There you go. Also, if you play Fortnite, leave a comment over there. We'll see you. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment. We also got merch. There's a link down below. Share this with your friends and family.
Cause I love it.
We'll catch you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.